Do you want to make money online but you're a beginner and you honestly don't know where to start? You hear people talking about AI, online income, affiliate marketing, passive income and freedom all the time, but instead of feeling motivated, you feel confused, overwhelmed and maybe even a little frustrated. You see people claiming results, showing screenshots and saying it's easy, yet no one explains it in a way that actually makes sense for someone who is starting from zero. If that's how you feel, let me tell you something important right now. There is nothing wrong with you. Confusion is not failure. Confusion is the first step before clarity. Every single person who is making money online today once felt exactly the way you feel right now. The real problem is not lack of opportunity. The real problem is lack of clear direction. So in this video, I am going to slow everything down and explain one simple, realistic way beginners can make money online using AI. I am not going to give you 10 ideas. I am not going to hype you up with unrealistic promises. I am going to explain one method in detail from the mindset to the execution so that by the end of this video you understand exactly what to do and why it works. Before we go deeper, I want to clear some lies that may already be in your head. You do not need to be a tech expert, you do not need to know coding, you do not need a big audience, you do not need expensive tools, and you do not need to quit your job. What you need is focus, patience and consistency. Most beginners fail online not because the methods don't work, but because they try to do everything at once or they quit too early. They jump from one idea to another, hoping something will magically work. That approach never works. That's why in this entire video we are focusing on one method only. The method is using AI to create short form content and promoting affiliate products. That's it. Now I know your mind might be saying this sounds too simple or I've heard this before. But the reason most people fail with this is not because the method is bad, it's because they don't understand how to do it properly and they don't stick with it long enough. So let's start from the very beginning. First, let's talk about AI because there is a lot of misunderstanding around this. AI today is not something complex or scary, it's simply a tool. Just like a calculator helps you do math faster, AI helps you think, write, plan and create faster. Tools like ChatGPT can help you come up with ideas, write scripts, create captions, structure videos and even simplify complex topics into beginner-friendly language. In the past, beginners struggled because they didn't know what to say or how to say it. They would sit in front of a screen for hours trying to think of content ideas and eventually give up. AI removes that problem. But here is a very important truth you need to understand. AI does not make money for you. AI does not replace effort. AI only helps you move faster once you decide to take action. If you don't take action, AI is useless. Now let's talk about the second part of this method, short form content. Short form content means videos that are usually between 30 seconds and 1 minute long. Platforms like Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts and TikTok are built around this format. These platforms are constantly looking for new creators and fresh content, which means they give free reach to beginners. This is one of the biggest opportunities beginners have ever had. In the past, if you wanted attention, you had to pay for ads. Today, you can get attention by posting content consistently. You don't need followers, you don't need subscribers, you don't need fame. Your video can be shown to hundreds or even thousands of people, even if you just created your account. Now let's talk about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing simply means you promote someone else's product. When someone clicks your unique link and buys the product, you earn a commission. You don't create the product, you don't handle customer support, you don't deal with refunds or delivery. Your only job is to recommend a product that actually helps people. This is why affiliate marketing is perfect for beginners. You don't need experience, you don't need inventory, you don't need a team, you just need attention and trust. Now let's connect all three pieces together. You use AI to help you create content, ideas and scripts. You turn those scripts into short form videos. You post those videos consistently on one platform. You recommend a digital product using an affiliate link. When someone buys through your link, you earn money. That is the entire system. Now let's go deeper because understanding the details is what makes the difference. The first big mistake beginners make is trying to be everywhere. They open accounts on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and Twitter all at the same time. They try to post everywhere and end up burning out. Don't do that, pick one platform. If you like talking on camera, Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts are great choices. If you are more comfortable recording voiceovers or screen recordings, YouTube Shorts works very well. The platform itself does not matter as much as your consistency. Once you pick a platform, stick to it. The second mistake beginners make is choosing too many topics. One day they talk about AI, the next day they talk about crypto, the next day they talk about motivation. This confuses both the algorithm and the audience. Pick one topic, also called a niche. Good beginner niches are making money online, AI tools, productivity, online skills, and digital business. These niches work because people are actively searching for solutions and are willing to spend money. Once you choose your niche, commit to it for at least a few months. Even when views are low, even when engagement is low. Now let's talk about content creation, because this is where most beginners overthink. Your content does not need to be perfect. Your videos do not need to be professionally edited. Your background does not need to be fancy. Most beginners delay posting because they want perfection. That delay kills momentum. Your first videos are not meant to go viral. They are meant to teach you how to speak, how to explain, and how to improve. Think of content creation like learning to speak a new language. You don't become fluent by waiting, you become fluent by practicing. This is where AI helps you massively. You can ask AI to generate content ideas. You can ask it to write hooks. You can ask it to write scripts in simple language. You can ask it to rewrite your message in different ways. This removes fear and confusion, but remember, AI gives you structure. You bring the effort. Now let's talk about the affiliate product, because this part determines whether you build trust or destroy it. Do not promote random products just because they pay high commissions. Do not promote scams. Do not promote products you don't understand. Your audience is trusting you. If you break that trust, you will never build long-term income. Choose one beginner-friendly digital product that genuinely helps people. It could be a course, a tool, or a training program related to your niche. Place your affiliate link in your bio and mention it naturally in your content. Now let's talk about expectations, because this is where most beginners quit. You will not make money in the first week. You might not make money in the first month, and that is completely normal. The first phase is learning. The second phase is improvement. The third phase is results. Most people quit in phase 1. Online income is not instant gratification. It is delayed gratification. Every video you post is a digital asset. It stays online. One video can bring you income weeks or even months later. This is leverage. Now let's talk about mindset, because mindset is everything. If you treat this like a shortcut, it won't work. If you treat this like a real business, it can change your life. You are not just posting videos, you are building skills. You are building confidence, you are building a digital presence. Skills compound, confidence compounds, effort compounds. Now let's talk about daily action. As a beginner, your daily responsibility is very simple. Spend a little time learning, create one piece of content, post it, move on. Do not obsess over views. Do not obsess over likes. Do not compare yourself to others. Comparison kills progress. Confidence does not come before action. Confidence comes after repetition. Now imagine this. 6 months from now, you have hundreds of videos online. You understand AI better. You understand content better. So you understand affiliate marketing better. You are no longer confused. You are no longer guessing. That is how online income is built. Not overnight, not by luck, but by showing up when others quit. If you are a beginner watching this and you genuinely want to make money online using AI, this is one of the simplest and most realistic ways to start today. No hype, no fake promises, just a real system that works if you work it. And if you want guidance, follow this channel, comment below if you are serious about starting. Share this video with someone who feels lost, because opportunities don't disappear. People give up,